Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can apply multiple materials to single object in Unreal Engine. So here I have taken one object. So if you see, there is only one material sort available under material tab. Okay, so this entire model has only one material. So this single material contains this wood material, this glass material and this plastic type material. So how can I apply different material to this single model? If I try to apply the material here from here, you can see that it will change the entire model textures. So this is not the solution to apply. Okay, so for that you have to enable your modeling mode. Okay, you can find this mode under this drop down modeling. If you don't see the modeling mode, you can go to setting, and in the plugin section you have to enable one plugin called modeling tools editor mode. So after enabling that plugin, you will able to see this modeling mode here. Okay, so in this mode you just have to go to attributes, and in the attributes section you have to go to edit materials. Okay, it will show like a mesh paint mode. Okay, so you can simply directly paint the faces over here. Okay, so select the faces where you want to apply the material. Okay, select left click on the face, and if you don't want the selected face, just click shift and again left click, it will deselect that face. Okay, after this selection you just have to go to this plus icon in the materials tab, and here you have to select the desired material which you want to apply to this. Okay, and make sure that your active material should be the material that you want to apply. So I have selected this dynamic sharing blue. Okay, and under the material edits tab you have to assign the active material. Click on the assign active material. So after that you can just click on accept, and here is how you can apply the different materials to single object. Okay, so sometimes what happens friends, if you again go to edit material modes, this mesh is triangulate, so it is difficult to select the each face because of this triangle nature. So in this case you can first of all, let me tell you, if you go to UV section, okay, in the same modeling tab you will get this UVs option, and in the UV editor, in case you have done proper mapping to your model, you can use this. Okay, so here if I hover to my screen, so you can see my screen has a separate UV layout over here. Okay, so I can simply select the entire UV layout and apply single material to it. So how can I do that? Okay, so again you have to go to attribute editors, and in the attribute editor, let me close this window. In the attribute editor, again edit materials. So you just have to select selection mode from brush to UV Iceland. So in one click I can select the entire connected mesh or connected UVs of my model. So, and again if I want to apply different material, like this portion has the wooden material, and if I want to apply some another matte material or any kind of material, I can simply suppose this red material. Okay, so make sure to our active material is to our design material, and in the again click on the assign material and just accept it. So you can see that how we can easily select our desired faces of our mesh, even if it is a single material model. Okay, this is how you can apply different materials to single model. So that's it for today friends. If you have any doubts regarding any question or any queries related to Unreal Engine, let me know in the comment section. I will try to make sure that I will make videos on that as well. Thank you. Just like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.